Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our top picked is WD40 Specialist White Lithium Grease Spray. If you prefer to have the best quality, should use the WD40 lubricant in your door hinge. Once you apply this hinge lubricant spray on the door hinge, it will create thick protection against the rust. It works amazingly, especially in the rainy season. The metal construction remains safe from the oxidation, so it won't lose its actual shape. Though the main purpose of this item is to apply on the door hinge, it equally works on other metals such as fan, electric accessories, and more. Also, when you want to store a metal thing for a long time, apply some of the sprays to keep it safe from rust and corrosion. Our second choice is LIQUIFix Lubricant. This lubricant is suitable for a wide range of purposes and mostly for the metal-to-metal applications. When your door hinge feels too tight, simply use the lubricant in the door hinge and it will make the movement smoother. Besides door hinges, you can also apply the lubricant on windows, slide glass doors, garage doors, and more. It is even safe for electric accessories. So, you can be sure about healthy safety. The lubricant comes in an 8.50-ounce size that you can use for a long time. As our third choice, we pick WD40 Multi-Use Smart Straw Sprays. If you don't want to purchase the lubricant regularly, you should order this package where you will get 2 smart straw sprays of WD40. The product is designed to apply for a wide range of areas including the door hinges. Other metal accessories such as wheels, pulleys, rollers, chain can be lubricated with this formulation. As I have mentioned earlier, there are 2 ways to apply it. Either you can apply it directly like a regular sprayer can, or you can use the long straw attached to the can for applying. The straw allows applying the lube from a distance for the safety. The lubricant starts working immediately in the area where you used. It frees sticky mechanism and loosens the rust-to-metal bond to release it from stuck. If your door hinge or any other metal is so old and you want to protect it from corrosion, this WD-40 lube will help. It removes the grease, grime, gum, tar, etc. from the applied area to give it the best protection. DuPont Teflon Silicone Lubricant is our fourth choice. When you want the lubricant for some other areas beside door hinge, such as wood materials, plastic, etc., the DuPont Teflon Silicone Lubricant would be the best choice. This is not a thick lubricant, and it works finely on non-metal objects. This is a waterproof lubricant that gives protection from rust and corrosion and keeps the object safe and increases its life. After applying it to a certain area, it dries faster and doesn't cause bad odor. If you are in a tight budget and looking for a good quality lubricant for home usage, this item could be the best option. Permatex 80345 White Lithium Grease is our number 5. For users' convenience, Permatex has brought a lubricant that comes in the tube. It allows applying the lube specifically for a particular area. Main purpose of this item is to keep the door hinges protected from rust and corrosion. Once you apply the lube perfectly in an area, there won't be much friction. Besides door hinges, you could use it for hood latches, trunk latches, seat tracks, garage door and more. So, with a single product, you can achieve all your requirements.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!